wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best beeswax wraps. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Adorable may be the best way to describe the planetcare premium lunch set, since it features a sea turtle print that might remind onlookers why it's important to do away with plastic in the first place. Along with the wraps, you'll get a tough canvas sack. It's attractively boxed and comes with a satisfaction guarantee. It makes an interesting gift for ocean lovers. At number 9. Ready to embrace a zero-waste lifestyle? You can get started with the Penguin Pantry Kit, a practical 9-item selection that includes 3 wraps, 3 muslin bags for bulk items such as pasta, and 3 mesh produce bags for your fruits and veggies. These feature a tear weight on the tags and an adorable penguin logo, but they can show stains. Coming in at number 8 on our list. If you just want to secure your perishables without all the cutesy stuff, then you might check out the Kentucky Home Assorted. All 7 pieces are plain and unobtrusive creamy white, so your food will draw the attention, not its covering. These are manufactured in the USA using locally harvested wax. However, note that the dimensions are occasionally off. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for beeswax wraps, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Ursine print used for the Beeswrap lunch pack will make waiting for mealtime unbearable, no matter what kind of eats you've got. And since they're packaged in recycled materials, you'll be supporting the planet from the moment you order them. These are eye-catching but not garish and big enough for half a watermelon, but they are a little pricier than some. Moving up our list to number 6. The Landwork Provisions 5-piece is an excellent value when you consider the number of items you get for the cost, although 3 of them are small, which might limit their overall usability. The biggest is amply sized, however, at 14 by 14 inches. These can be hand-washed in cool water and offer great moldability. Note that the patterns may vary. Halfway up our list at number 5. The fetching honeycomb print on the buzzwrap premium is sure to turn heads, making it an eco-friendly product that you won't be ashamed to flaunt in your work or school lunchroom. Plus, because they're black and white, they'll suit a range of decorative sensibilities. You get 4 in every order, and they're simple yet practical. These are produced in China. At number 4, you can jump in with both feet when you grab the abeego gift box. It arrives with 12 sheets in total that are neatly arranged in 4 charming cartons, so you could keep them all for yourself or perhaps share them with friends if you are so inclined. These are made of a hemp and cotton fabric using FDA-approved ingredients. However, they are on the more expensive side. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Whether your storage needs are big or small, these etee Organic have got you covered, as there are different sizes to choose from, including a beefy 36-pack for bustling households. You can expect to get 120 to 150 uses from each piece. These are infused with essential oils and fine for cooked meats. They're made with totally non-toxic dyes. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for beeswax wraps, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the bright and cheery colors of the patabee reusable will make putting away food a treat. And because you get 3 sizes, you should always have just the one you need. A high-quality option, each is made by hand in Switzerland from organic cotton. These come with a 30-day money-back guarantee, a handy e-book, and about a 6-month lifespan. And taking the top spot on our list. Handcrafted in Vermont, the Beeswrap Assorted 3-pack includes 1 small, 1 medium, and 1 large, giving you the usability you need for variously sized items. Your good feelings will always be substantial though, since they're made with sustainably harvested wax. Several designs are available, all fully compostable. They should last for about a year. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for beeswax wraps, or simply click beneath this video.